Welcome to the most complete static exhibition you can see, about fighter aircraft 4th generation. This period begins in the year 1970, and reaches the end of the year 2000. This 4th generation, depending on the information source you use, can be organized at various levels. For the realization of this video report, and in order to simplify the explanations, you can see that I grouped them in 3 different lines. The first line groups the so-called 4th generation pure. The second line includes the 4 plus or 4.5 designations. And the third line, the jet fighters designated as 4 double plus. Flight stability is improved, from manual flight to electronic flight, fly-by-wire, by means of a flight control system. These fighters, of 4th generation aerial superiority, continue to be multi-purpose airplanes, in their air-to-air, or air-to-ground, combat configurations. Their design allow them to be agile in dogfight,